Amazon loses inventory all the time, but here's the quick way to check if they lost your inventory and how to get the money back for the lost inventory. And what you're going to do is you're going to go into Amazon Seller Central, go to Inventory, and then click on Shipments. Once you're in Shipments, you're going to do the status only on closed shipments because the closed shipments are the only ones you can dispute. So go to Closed, Apply. After you're done that, it's going to look just like this where it shows your closed shipments. And now it says the expected units that you shipped and then the located units. So I shipped 150. Amazon only received 149. So Amazon's missing one. It's time for us to dispute and get reimbursement for that missing unit. And in order to do that, we're going to go all the way to the left, click on the shipment name. Once we click on the shipment name, it's going to take us to this page. And then we're going to click on Contents. So click on Contents. Once you're in Contents, now you're going to go all the way to the right and you're going to see that discrepancy right here of -1 because Amazon lost a unit. They are just waiting for us to dispute it ourselves. So we're going to have to click Research Missing Units so Amazon can give us that refund. And they want us to upload proof of delivery. Usually they also want us to upload an invoice to prove that we actually purchased the inventory, and it should match our Amazon seller information. So keep that in mind, right? And then there's a lot of other stuff, proof of purchase, quantity purchased, right? So they might want more of these. Usually we just show them proof of delivery and an invoice, and then we open up the case. So choose file, upload file. Once you submit it, it automatically opens up a case within Amazon. And you can see this case was recently opened up and Amazon instantly said, we have initiated a reimbursement request on your behalf. And they did refund us our money. Now, it was a little bit higher than our cost of goods by like $2. So it's not like we really made money, but it's better than getting nothing. So this is something that you should be doing every, I would say, 7 to 14 days. So that way you and your team are on top of it, especially if you're sending in a lot of shipments into Amazon so you can get those disputed and get those refunds in quick. But that's it for today's video. If you like this video, drop a like. And if you are an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And if you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, like getting your reimbursements or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link's right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. And one of our #1 services is our full Amazon account management service. This is where we're going to be managing your inventory, calling Amazon customer service. Of course, we're going to be doing all the reimbursements for you. Not only that, advertising, design, and increasing your sales. That way you have a full service where we're managing your account and then you can work on growing your business while we're doing the nitty gritty. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.